Dad, what are you doing? Please don't put my lovely scooter into the braking machine. It will break. And then what will I play with?
I will not accept your request. You drive your scooter all day, and you don't even go to school or finish your homework.
Dad, I promise I will go to school every day, and I will finish my homework. Please don't break it.
It's already broken. I will buy you a new scooter if people like this video and subscribe to this channel. Request people to like my video.
Friends, if you like this video and subscribe to the channel, my dad will buy me a new scooter. Friends, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Write new scooter in the comments.